and today I'm going to do a quick demo of Haystack in the VS Code repository. The first cool thing about Haystack is that you can actually move editors around on the canvas as well as resize them. And so this enables you to fit in multiple editors in a viewport at once. Another interesting thing about Haystack is that you can zoom in on individual parts of the file. Like take this register group listeners method here, for example. I can click this button to just focus on the method itself. And this is useful when I don't want to look at other parts of the file. I just want to focus on this method. Of course, I could just go back up to the file view by clicking this button, and you can see how smooth and easy it is to transition between these two views. Another interesting thing about Haystack are these two buttons on the right. This allows me to see the callers of the function or method, as well as the things the method is calling. So if I click on this, I can see a sort of preview of this. I click on this button, and you can see it creates a new editor here. And we can see that Haystack creates these connections automatically as we delve into dependencies. So here we can see that we're highlighting the call of register group listeners here. And similarly, if we were to look at an outgoing dependency, like handle editor change, we can see that we're creating a highlight here. Because Haystack is on a canvas, we allow you to scale to view fewer or more editors by holding the command or control button, as well as the mouse wheel. Alternatively, you can use these zoom controls on the bottom right. And if you want to reset your scale back to normal, you can click on this button. Another thing I want to show you is the Navigate Editors view. So the Navigate Editors view is really useful if you have a really large graph spread all over your canvas, and you're kind of lost as to where other editors are. So here, if I just click on one of the editors, it sort of pans and takes me to the right place. So this is really handy for when you have a lot of editors open on a canvas. The last thing I want to show you is the Canvas Workspaces feature. The Canvas Workspaces feature allows me to preserve all the editors on the canvas. And this is useful for if I need to context switch. Let's say I need to check out a different branch or move on to a different task, but I still want to keep the context of all these different editors on my canvas in case I want to return and work on the same feature, et cetera, et cetera. So all I have to do is click, first give a name, register group listeners, click this button, and it saves my workspace. So if I delete all these editors now, I can click back on register group listeners, and it'll actually pop everything back onto my canvas so I can continue working where I left off. As you can see, this is really helpful for context switching. That's all I had for you guys today. Thank you so much.